Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. But today we're going to get into my latest front door fashion collection. If you're new, I'm Laura. White is the white puppy dog. Zena is the tan. Harvey is the kitty if you happen to see him. We're so happy you're here. We hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So front door fashion is not a subscription service. It is a styling service. It is amazing. My stylist Rachel just rocks my boxes on a regular basis. She reached out to me about a week ago to let me know she's getting married and that she would be out for a bit. So congratulations to her. I wish her all the very best and super happy for her. So she did send me this awesome collection before she headed out. Front door fashion has a no styling fee policy. However, when you pick up a box, you will get $100 charged to your credit card. That covers anything that you decide to keep, so it goes towards that. And the average price of an item is $100. But if you don't buy anything, then you get your $100 back. They do carry a lot of great premium brands. You can certainly tell your stylist what budget you'd like to stick into for a box. You can also share your favorite brands. They have so many. I like to leave it a little bit more wide open so that I can potentially get some pieces I would never pick for myself. I do have a link, referral. If you use my referral link, then you will get $50 towards your first box, and I get $50 towards my next box. So this is a great service. I think that they can certainly look for pieces that you are unable to find for yourself. They also can, if you come with a style, this is my style, please pick up pieces that match that. I have a wedding coming up, please pick up items for that. I have work from home styles, your stylist will get it for you. And you get a lot. So I have many pieces here that we're going to dig through, so I enjoy that as well. Let's start with what I have on right now. So I have on a pair of Joe denim. These are a really fun one with the Carpenter pant, and then paired with a Z Supply graphic tee and a gentle Fawn cardigan. All right, so first up with the jeans. These are incredibly comfortable. They're my normal size, 26. They have the kangaroo or patch pockets here. They have the little Carpenter hook, the thicker belt loops, and they have. I like how it's cuffed here at the bottom. That is stitched. It's hitting me right at the top of my foot. Super cute. They're very relaxed, very comfy. I'm really enjoying these. And then this cute cardigan, such a nice pop of blue to go over this tee. It is a little bit shorter, sitting right at the bottom part of the waistband, in a ribbed material, stretchy. I'm wearing an extra small. This is very cute. You could even probably button it up and wear it with just like a bralette, or maybe without anything underneath as a little top. I think it's super cute. Really pops with this tee, right? And then the tee. So the tee is by Z Supply. I always love the Z Supply tees because they have just a little bit of like a cap sleeve. It's not too low. It's not loose. It's more form-fitting, which I really enjoy. This is a cute color palette I'm enjoying. I tucked it in, but it comes to about right here, tucked in. So we don't know the length of it. I think this is a great outfit. I like this for weekends or work from home. I think this is really adorable. All right, so for the Gentle Fawn Orville cardigan in cobalt, as I said, I'm wearing an extra small, $98. The Z Supply New York Cheeky Tee, this one is a small, $39. And then the Joe jeans, the relaxed high-rise Carpenter pant, 26, my normal size, $248. So another way to wear this pair of pants would be with a little bit of a dressier top. So my stylist sent me this Be Cool green top. I'm really enjoying this one. It has like a wider neckline. It hits just below the waistband of my pants. They were easy to tuck in because it's like a form-fitting top. The color is really pretty. You could layer it under anything. Your favorite jacket, blazer, cardigan. Here's what it looks like close up. Really cute. I have a bralette on today, just in a navy blue. It is allowing that wider neckline to work. I think the color is super pretty. So this is called the Cap It top by Be Cool. I'm wearing a small. The color is wasabi. I love that. $45. It's not a bad price point. $45. Next outfit. All right, so now I want another Be Cool top. Really enjoying this one. A bit of a boat neck, but I'm kind of liking the shape of this. I typically don't enjoy boat necks on me personally, but I'm kind of enjoying this neckline. It is a little bit more form-fitting with the ruching down the sides. It's in this awesome color I'm really enjoying. And she paired it back to these Sunoco pants that are this vegan leather with the seaming detail going down the front and that wider leg. How fun are these? I really enjoy these. Very different. They have the drawstring waist here. The fit is relaxed. These are a small, but I kind of like them. That gives me enough room through the tushy. I have a tag here if you're seeing a bump. Yeah, there's a tag, but very cute. Very different. So the Ruched boat top by Be Cool. I'm wearing a small, as I said. This color is caramel. $55, and then the Sunoco Johan high-rise 26-inch wide leg in cocoa, again wearing a small, $168. So my stylist said, tuck the camel long sleeve into the chocolate brown wide leg pants for a trendy night out look. And you could also style these pants with a bright blue, navy, pink, or green. So basically treating these pants like a neutral. What do you think of that? Next outfit. Now I have on a Joie top and a Yest skirt. This skirt is so super fun. It has a ton of stretch and give to it. It feels really nice. And I'm enjoying it in this gray. You can see that. But it's super comfy, has great movement. The slit isn't too high. It's a midi length. Super cute. The top is also very cute. I did just a little front tuck, but you can see it's not going to make much of a difference. This is the top. This is where it ends. Has a little bit of a cap sleeve here with gathers. The neck is a bit high for me. I'm not enjoying this one. I think it's a very cute top, but it's not going to work for me. Has two little buttons back here. But I do like the skirt. So the Joie Jules blouse, I'm wearing an extra small, $138. The Yest Nabila denim skirt in gray denim, I'm wearing a 2, $120. We'll go on to the next one. So a more casual look with this one is this fun Beatles tee. How adorable is this? I'm loving the colors, kind of that gold pop, the purple. She suggested wearing it under a purple blazer. I think that would be adorable. I even like the pink. It goes nice with the gray. This one has different sleeves than the Z Supply. It's a little bit more of the classic T cut. So you could always put a little cuff in that if you wanted, or leave it be, depending on how you're going to wear it. What do you think, Harv? Do you like this one? I just did a front tuck, left it out with the skirt. For this one, the Beatles Retro Tee by Chaser in extra small is what I'm wearing, $66. Next up, I want the pink tiger stripe top by Rails and then AG denim. So these denim pair are really nice. They have a much more slimmer fit, you can see. They have no distressing, very, very stretchy. Feel really nice on. They're size 26, which is my normal size. Just a nice black denim. I like them. Then for this button down, I think the colors in here really pop. It's very soft. It's very cozy. You could wear it down or you could cuff it. Either would work. You could wear it tucked in. You could wear it out. You could tie it. You could tuck all of it in. That's the fun behind a button down. So many ways to wear it. So for the AG Mari high rise 27-inch crop straight in sulfur black, I'm wearing 26 210, and the rails Ellis shirt, pink tiger, extra small, 178. What do you think about this one? Next outfit. This is a Michael Stars outfit. Now, if you haven't noticed already, my zipper is down. Yes, the zipper is broken. Can you see it's actually up? But it is broken, and now I'm wondering how I'm going to get these off of my body. So a little concerned there, but okay, we'll figure it out afterwards. I still wanted you to see the pants because they're super cute. I actually really like them. Maybe hopefully I can get them exchanged. Pork chop pockets here in the front. They have a really nice length, a little buckle here for extra piece. Nice length. These are my normal size, I believe. We'll check in a minute. I like the navy, everything but the zipper. They're super cute. And they're actually like a tencel material and relaxed, so they fit nicely through my bum and hips. And then how about this top? Is this not adorable? The V-neck, shiny, so cute, gorgeous. I love this. And I like these two together. But we will definitely have to do something about this. All right. I'm a little afraid how I'm going to get this off. So the Michael Stars Maxine high-rise convertible pant. I'm wearing a small, 218. And then the Jodi V-neck top, also by Michael Stars in Corsica. I'm wearing an extra small, 138. We are down to the last collection, which has 3 pieces in it, and I've got 2 of them on right now. All right, so how awesome is this outfit? First of all, I have to talk about this jacket. This is by Liverpool. It is in a navy, zippers. It's creating a waist for me, which I love, like really defining that. Zippers on the pockets, just oh so pretty in this navy. Will go with so much. But it looks really nice over top of the cobalt blue Michael Stars dress. Now, if you're thinking you've seen this somewhere before, it actually came in my trend scent in a brown. So who knew about this cobalt blue? This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let me show it to you. So it has this piece here that kind of goes out a little bit and angles on the side, so creating a bit of an asymmetrical look. It also comes out at the waist, so it has lots of free movement to it. The color is gorgeous, just gorgeous. I'm enjoying this a lot, a lot, a lot. So this one is called the Perez Ruched Midi Dress by Michael Stars. I'm wearing the color Bahama. This is a size small, 148. And then the Liverpool Moto jacket in Mystic Navy. I was wearing an extra small, 129. And we are down to the last piece. Final outfit is this Freja Dress by DL 1961. I love this dress, but it so does not fit me. It is so cute. This one is an extra small. I would need to try the small, which I'm thinking about doing. It does have that front slit that's kind of high, so I'm a little worried about that. Zipper and then buttons. I can't button these without hurting myself. So a little tight all the way down. I think just a small would be perfect. So I'm thinking about giving that a try. Let me know what you think about this one. I love this lighter wash. I love the cut and fit. Meaning that I love how it is kind of closer to the body, but I do feel like it's going to have a little bit of room down here in my right size. But right now, nothing is fitting. You could cut the sleeves, leave them down. Put boots on with this. How cute would that be? All right, so for this final item, as I mentioned, it's by DL 1961, the Freja Dress. The cover is light Monterey. I'm wearing an extra small, 299. That is all my pieces. So let's run through them real quickly. We'll go backwards. So obviously this dress, I need to decide if I want to try in a size up to see if I can really understand how it would fit me, but this one is a no as it is. This whole outfit, love. This outfit I really love, so I'd love to try those pants with the proper zipper working. Not sure about this top. Let me know what you think, and I'm not sure about the jeans either, the AG black. I'm not sure about them. I think I'm not used to wearing more form-fitting jeans. I'm so used to wearing wide leg now, so let me know how you think those looked. And then love the Beatles tee, something about keeping that one. So this top is a no for me. I did really enjoy the skirt, but I'm not sure. I'm on the fence about keeping that one. Loved this top. Thought it was adorable. I thought the vegan leather pants were amazing as well. Really liked this top as well as the Joie denim. Those were the Carpenter. And then I like this whole set, although I do think that I probably have a blue cardigan this color, so won't need to get this. So that's what I'm thinking. First off, let me know what you think. I will list all of these items down below in case you want to check any of them out or check them out with your stylist and have them include them in your next box. Or if you'd like to give this box a try, I'll put my link and you can get that $50 towards your first box. Let me know what you thought. Comment down below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.